Utie Oha Echi Ponkno. Needs FM.
So, Bomadi answer Ube Bie na bafom, Bema for and somewhere and Ramode to PDSC, near Wumwa, Tichu, Mokase, Abai, MPP Abai, Katasumo Maso, Dream Kataseshe, Roye, Ena, Wamoya was Adie who. Ama Magani Ashurisi Kati 3D beg bro 1.5 billion Ghana cedis near Echire. Interestingly, I know pay any Deputy Minister for Information, Pius Edin Komo say the Amokan Yanya Sanity. Na mo pe katase shepherd ya nem kohwe bauxite amampanyi dada mahama kukuruma ni nua no ho asem na nyewe bieni ye na Ghana ya ntiase
see na be kaya omampanyi Kufuor Aberso and US aban kase Ghana 392 eba bisi summer yeah boy brave yet to me a day kabima kebi amamu akonanim ewo yamanyo sin amagana yasuje in fact yeah a peaceful transition of power from an incumbent regime, the Rawlings NDC regime, to the Kufuor regime, the DIS to be Georgia. We are seeing anti-Bonibia Alpha Ghana. Inti enuntino, or more choose to Ghana, say, or more a Jumayiku, and also a friend of millennial XC. Ebeboa or my Ghana with Jumedibia, no matter the compact one. Now, under compact one, no, Ombema Ghana, $547 million.
mhm
Na yadi a share kuyayum ewo my Ghana mu. Na yadi biswa ye impuntu nyuma. Ntuwe a sapa President Rawlings bitwa President Kufuor betwa so eno na nam so ma yenya compact one $500 million. Abezu bekaya everything be and President Kufuor by the started N1 highway.
no correct
Walk a bush highway. President Mills betwa so as a human to do on our President Kufuor started here. President Mills and President Mahama in 2009 betwa so every year. By 2012 near real compact one. Tika $547 million America by the buy. Now you used to human abwa o mine ama America for any ajo. Inti yakoba asa no basi penyu for the food we afa de piano. And America for say. Ye best na so ma compact 2. And that compact 2 no. Ye be ma $490 million. Na no na Ghana buy that man president Mama buy. Ye dream want say some no how far Ghana for you do so. Because you like 2013 to 2015 do so diomenya. Because now yanyina mahode won se mata Africa ECG e ka na da won so enye kaketwa. In America buy is okay. Yeah, be ma $490 million. And that is compact 2. Based on compact 1 but me ahwe so kama. Compact 2 mo fan share ECG adwumanimu. The power retail sector of ECG business and the movement na munye biye na ECG timi nyina brane na adwuma wo so mo yema Ghana for nkeni etinjina so businesses nyankeni a Ghana for nyankeni ayo mo numa no o matumi anya basika ya de mamui nseye eda ho nseye eda ho ne se yempese aban ena ebe hwe ECG so bi because mpempi na aban hwe ECG so a there was that you took Kenya Mukra abandon especially in the 13 years. Now, a papa car before abandon the ECG car, abandoning Chia. If you're buying a customer, but on no na buying now if you're also winning a bench with me ECG, she say basa now papa car break Chia. Nina can be the ECG conform. It is an idea, Uncle Pet and conclude my poor. Omo ni was you know, or my yida. No, almost the car. A buy the back with an answer, and as I'm going to my cool. Or would you move the music car by the shade ECG? Abuama ECG, I can't. In the air America for a memo $190 billion. I'm going to my cool now about Alcohol. Or no, so any my Kua or Wutika will be to me $580 million. I say ECG in 5 years. Now the best in 5 years now. What year? A human 20 years at the Ateneca. That Teneca we are not the Amaba. A bit Tambrano. It is the ECG done. So she say America by me. And that President Mama. And now President Mama started what she say. The young pet and country to my quiet, which we get my senator. Now America for so far of music. And on the Dimua Yankofa Philippines companies, any other companies from other parts of the country that pay there. As I'm ready for the mama say, oh yeah, they say company I the ECG version in Sano. Ghana for enya stick at least 20%, minimum of 20%. Na maximum of 80% and call above. The more ya yankrata seminars say enya company be ava ECG na mano. Enna Fufi into attire to a betia ya cottonage, and a President Kufuado by. President Kufuado by, oh, President Mama to say, now, oh, yes, of the company, Ghana, for a minimum of 20%. It's rather not the Obama Ghana for. If you move 20% local content, stake, ACO 51%. There's a company I had the man, Ghana for the war. Company in which ever can hey, we are sure that Ghana, you be or more this Ghana. Because I guess Ghana for Ghana for the view one. That $580 million was over the shade ECG will be the asset. Yeah, can I buy them? Young Korea, yes, your former company, the FNE PDS. Your former company PDS, yet the percentage of master elections, miracle. The percentage in Yama, Nigeria is the war Angola. In all, no, Miracle Philippines for 30%, and Angola for 19%. You the boom 49%. And Aka 51% was the Magana for Tiki. Yes, you are a tender. Ghana for a moon in the air was that ECG. Professor Moya said from no pray. But I could see my opinion for one. Yet say, you choose the number for any MP before. If you want to be. Only in the when number one. No one is capre. I will be to me. I say ECG. My opinion for the number say, or much choose to more than 51% shareholders in PDS. Hey, and your mayor party now, the man number 4, no party for you. Then you almost you can't went here. Now, for the ECG map PDS, and in fact, the ECG Japan they worth over 22 billion Ghana cedis now PDS on the 1st of March 2019. PDS for year 4 months after in July. Majority light bills are it's a Bayanka issue statement. The PDS for the crown. Almost for minor tree and the Frankadam. Adaya. Almost oh, and she say, a minor moya. There was a commodity guarantee diba. Guarantee a $350 billion at IHD. Then when the dance here say I'm part of Musika, the ECG show us who bet Benya Sikadia Shim ama ECG, a Brand. Now that guarantee no more the brain, no. Yakoya, you will with the guarantee, no. Fracadam, by your fraudulent, and your papa, a fake. And into no PDS concession require class the time. We are not the offer PDS as a win buyer. Am I in the good because now I am, as I'm no, I am now. Instead, then, would it or my Japan say, I'm a company now. Why would I follow party 50% shares? Or my back the electricity bills, billions of cities every year. fire sika bebrebe wi na sana wa ban wa be ka say oh omo guarantee omo de be je no kra no e yifi ene ye nyina ye be kwa yifi ye ko first ya asem ni mu a akwati sana ECG PDS agreement no e kom na se betwam ma se betwam for the sisi ye pa bi shem ye fa the conditions precedent say omo de be bo Ghana interest on by na condition precedent 24 na condition precedent ne kire enyema e what PDS eye ansana ye the ECG japade asewo sa na the net also 24 na say PDS ansana ye the ECG japade be ma on ye pese ye hu se wo sika obetumi dia ye adwuma enti ko bank na ko je bank guarantee a sika $350 million etachie na ye hu se wo sika na se oba na oba ye japade basa basa that bank guarantee no ye the answer to so let us say yakwa sika no e de ateka we is pa Ghana mrasi bigafo for so body for Ghana interest for buy afa ye ko hwehwe mu a FTI be ye wiwi mu na ye hu say on the 19th of February 2019 1 month and sana ye dey 2 weeks and sana ye dey PDS ECG be ma PDS no Dr. Bawumia Kenu Foriata finance minister and the MVP penny for PDS for year meeting e wo Jubilee House omuko meeting no mo say PDS for say bank guarantee ni omunya na hwan ye dia ma omo it is a abaya opeso obo Ghana interest on buy aka ho na obehu the PDS go obusika sam ko ye dia japade she won za o me ne basa but enam say eyo omo amomo crofo no mo pese omo the ECG japade be ma omo no ma fa akire ni owo akwa akwa omo say oh okay se munya bank guarantee ni dia ene e mo ko fa insurance guarantee mumra insurance guarantee so no emuduru no e wo sika semu no ene bank guarantee nye pe bank guarantee there na what they call TBB wa no dey say sika da kire but insurance guarantee there afei na wo kwa activate insurance policy no ne yakotwe ho da ready dey sika there no mo asem ka no e wa kakra e din kakra na mpampa ye man penya be dey Dr. Bawumia finance minister ne aban penyifo a enke wosen komo insist on the bank guarantee no o ma ko sister bank guarantee say na o mun ko fa insurance guarantee ba na de ya wo bu kran se kwasi insurance guarantee no so a PDS e kwa fa aba na o mo say car bank ene down one em wa o mo no ko pe from company bi e work ata the friend of our coach and the car bank se mu betua $12.25 million and so na akọje that insurance guarantee worth $350 million no e di amam so we insurance that o ka akwa insure utua premium it is a insurance $350 million no e hu premium ye $12.25 million and also PDS for confirmra na da ne boachi bi omu nye sika kese omu ni kapre a o ma yo ma dwen say omu na omadan for the president Kufuor no omu de omu be bo o ma ni nyansa for no afa ye data ye enti even the $12.25 million I was saying commodity premium on insurance guarantee. Omo the ya light bill no after March 1st na ye di ma omo tax omo the light bill. And omo se tax sika and omo the kutua insurance guarantee. That is ya sika omo as shareholders omo sika bianca ho. Guarantee no so mo de buyer. I was saying finance minister o man penye Kufuor do ne penyufo. Ehwehwe guarantee ni mu every company PDS for say omo na issue guarantee no mo check say oh anye bia guarantee mo che na fiba e papa e betu ja ye adwuma no e no so man penye Kufuor do ne mpanyifo anye omo di guarantee ni ba ya e no mo dan ni ECG japade $22 billion Ghana isika ketwa e no mo de ba o tamre no na abayan kasa advisors Hudson aka chom se di enya ne sa guarantee na aba no kora no hwe pepa no so a company na yesi wa issue no the telephone number ni email bibia wo e kare na mo ntimi send o mu email na omo mo se guarantee no if from chen na e ba ye papa ansa na mo di japade na ma omo oh abai ne so opentem wa anya ne ntem a America fo sika no kra yanza nkan na abai no di japade nyina ma omo without doing any due diligence to check the guarantee ni papa afei a wodi ejapade ama omo mama begidi ezika for 4 months awie no afei de wo say guarantee no wakwa akɔyɛ hwehwɛmu ahu sɛ na yɛ fake company no kura se woni mu hwɛ na n'adwuma yɛ ni bi ɛna ɛkɔyɛ saa deɛ na company no de ni mu hwɛ nti afei de wo akɔ agreement no kura no wa suspend hey na yɛ da sam ato Ghana nkɔfo a ɔmo ni sika ɛnni ni deɛ in fact one of them Philip Ayensu no local partners na Ghana for no na the company won more shares 28% DG Energy Solution ono ko die barbering shop na ewo East Legon oni me nyina ma hoden waduma no mu hwe wan fa sika bi aso ama na wati me die japade ama o mo saa guarantee bia na ho ti se o ma ye sika no ma dia ye bere ne nzaka ye japade no ma ye ba saa guarantee be ne ye nzaka ko so ko guarantee o mo de ba ye fa ye ye gugugu ye hwehwemu a kwasi ene ye gohu se na na de e ma president Kufuado e ba abonten be ka se wa suspend the agreement no na guarantee ni ye fake no na enye de no mo ka kire ye no guarantee no mu nim say ye fake dada the new say na guarantee ni ye fake but now mo hwehwe o ma ye ne say ye the PDS no mo no ye de ma ba front so 51% say full state ya about the money you enjoy listening to exactly ya 51% na de aba mo no ye be dilute ye be first of all ye be consolidate ye be kan ni nyina abom na fe ya ma ho kwan ama Ghana for so abeji it is say ke true ho na the real owners na no mo show machi no omo aba abeji chest enu ti mo be ka ya ke no for yata let it be babonti na wa try akoma PDS private company na finance minister mu atre let akoma mo say mo shares na Ghana for no 51% ya pese mo de ni nyina kabom na mo ma ho kwai ma Ghana for bi so beje foforo na original shareholders no so ja omo ma fa kapra ma omo no ma mpam e na omo die wie nti no omo so omo sa ka wie omo ni America for be tie on wet nti edu ho no omo so say enya dia ye de ye shares bi ba be bo ama obi abi ye mpene e ma mo ma meje na je say on chain United no person komo be bo no ento kwesi ho enyi bo so so ye di da you boom President Kufuado on the wutumi aso ma penyi enti se o se mo ma ho kwan na 51% na mo anya hwe ye dia chemo no abu from the crop from Egypt na mo se mo dia dia enie mo guarantee na mo de buy na kra na enye papa no kwa ko fa ho asem aba na we gina so dia suspend no gina so de suspend wi a na ebo mu hu a mo beti ase amo mu hu so a eni obetwam ne nua PDS asem ni nyina ni eno ena didi mu a we local shareholders na se yanti ase baba no say o mu za ade ni mu ede light bills in kwa ECG budget no so bi millions nti wo mu ze mu ede nti no ono so ompene ema obi a na share ni bi guarantee obodi aba so enye papa we nyina Ghana fo ni didi mu aban ne hwe ni buase aba aban ne se betwa PDS ni kra en America aban say hey me sikai me de chem mo kwa ba me de me sikai chem a ya man for taxes so mutua de ebre mu bi dia beboa because boy ya na for no enti sikai na we say mu hwe so yi say the president before the president mail sure we hwe compact one so yi ti ne ma mo compact $490 million no ye di ka ma mo $300 million ye mo di yini and ya sa na say dia $190 million na aka no ye fa ma mo bi ye twem enti $190 million ana America ban dia ma Ghana omo age o ma de e worth $10 billion and over sikana boy and na person ni kumunya dream kata se se for ya sa o ma penyi Kufuado na ban ye DS mata aga we sa America for so na ya sa so age pene se ye be boa mo $500 million na mo dia support mo budget eno so a ye twem mo san kati agwazi eno so di wo mo se compare to no ye ka sen ka mo timi hwe so yi a Yebema mo compact 3, and on the the regional compact, and also $400 million. But the Amaya in PDS Basa ya my ye, and also so you trim. Now there's a question who's over $1.8 billion. I wasn't a back on my Ghana for honor. Na Emma of my two former Ghana with the Yamuchafano. A buy will call a Bontino, a boy. Yamuka, getting in that area. A family knew huge financial loss to the state, all because of the greed and selfishness of a few people in President Kufuor's government. And Ghana was okay. They say, what day? Or my PDS Kakaka. I'm a wow now for my physical yamba, or money in Bia. They say, Mama Sikai wasn't America buying them $1.something billion in our boy. No problem.
Just relax.
PDS is for Omobeye Juma, Omafaka Frama, Omo insurance guarantee cry fake, one of what you're fraudulent. Omo Baba visit your life go for Bosome Strong from 1st of March to 18th October. So yes, you can't go on GLC or no. Hey, 1.5 billion Ghana cedis. Light dog one. Because I won't pay easy so much. You might pay any more year. It's the Omega the best over you shooting now. It's almost continue to come to magic. Near Wood Yaka. I am from my Ghana. Now, I know you're finding would be a big so fast. Because he said, "Net, I know my video for the member PDS for Bush can work on that or no quantity." Because you can't be seen there PDS for Bush can work on that. If you like to make it free or make this free, nobody has been held to account for that money. Yet, other things, the captain crowd, what is it? Buying country. So, Babu Wakonta, Ubian country. And on my boy a chronoe. And on my penny Gufuado, clearing agent, or the day or Yakatasu Muaso because Kata for Yano or can't be near person. When you need to change.
Okay.
Because ECG and Yenedia, the Ghana Japan, see Yene Basta.
Utie Oha Echi Pongno Needs FM.